Hello guys, what is going on? Techroomuk here. So for today's video we have two wallets from Peakzooc. These are card wallets, so obviously you can put your cards inside them. These are the boxes for it. One is a Mech Guard wallet, and the other one is called the Glow wallet because it has some glow in the dark spots on it, which I'm gonna show you in a second. This one is customized. They actually went as far as customize it with the Techroomuk logo, which I'm going to show you in a second once we unbox it. It looks pretty nice. This one it's very much similar, but the Glow wallet, as I told you, has the 4 spots on it that will glow in the dark, and obviously that will make it easier to find the wallet at night. So yeah, the box are quite simple, just Peakzooc branding and a Mechguard wallet. It tells you the size and the weight. So the weight, it's about 78 grams and it's made out of metal, very high quality materials. Let's go ahead and open this up and I'm gonna show you guys what you get inside, and after that I'm gonna show you how it looks when you put your cards inside, I guess. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so after opening the box, this is pretty much what you get. Obviously we got the two wallets, which we will come back in a second, but we have some accessories here. So obviously we have a thank you card from the manufacturer, which is really nice. We have an instruction manual with pictures, tells you how to mount everything, how to use it correctly, basically. Nothing too fancy, just a couple of pages with images, so that's really handy. I suggest you give that a read, obviously, if you want to learn all the features about the wallets. They included a screwdriver and they also included an Apple tag cover. So basically, for example, if we take this wallet, you will place the Apple tag in here, basically like a GPS tracker, right? You will place it there, you will screw it in. That's why they included a screwdriver, and you will know the exact location of your wallet at all times in case you lose it. And let's have a look at the wallets now. This is the Glow wallet, basically carbon fiber finish on the back with metal. As the name suggests, glow, it's because it's got 4 glow in the dark patches on it, sides, let's call them. Obviously it's too much light in here for it to work, but at night you'll be able to tell where is your wallet. That's a really nice addition. Obviously we got slot right here. You can attach it to your keys, you can attach it to whatever. This is how the front side looks. This front side, it's simple and it comes with this magnetic sticker, so you can stick this to the back of your phone and then you can attach your wallet just like so. The magnets are exposed on this one. This is on gray. This is the gray Glow wallet. I think it looks really nice with the carbon accents, with the gray. Looks really nice. But my favorite, obviously, being the Techroomuk one custom. They done this for me and I really appreciate them for that. This is how it looks. This one doesn't have the glow patches on the sides. It's lacking them, but the design is absolutely amazing with the carbon fiber and the Techroomuk branding logo on it. It looks absolutely insane. Basically, to add cards to it, basically I don't know if I can do it with one hand, but you have to create a gap here and then you can add cards, which I'm gonna show you in a second. So yeah, pretty much that's it. That's what you get inside the box. Let's just add some cards to one of them. I'm gonna add some cards to the Techroomuk one and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks basically when you have like 5-6 cards in there. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so this is how it looks when you have some cards in there. They're really easy to slot out. You just basically push them in. I think it can hold about 20 cards. And whenever you want to access a card, you just have to push a bit from a side and that's it. You can get the card out, the card you wish. Obviously it's got some 6 cards in there and size is really tiny, as you can tell. You can compare it with my fingers. It's really compact. I like the fact that you can add air tag to it so you can track it at all times. Unfortunately, I do not have a spare air tag to add in here as of this moment when I'm making this video, but I'm definitely gonna add one in the future just for that extra security. You can customize it with any branding, any logo, any pictures, whatever you want. You can have your own custom wallet. I will have the links for this in the video description down below. And I will also have the links for the Glow wallet as well. So yeah, it's a really great wallet, really great design, really tiny, compact, easy to use, and very handy. So yeah, thank you guys for watching as always, and I'll see you in the next one.